There is loads of stuff in my book, how to draw ancient Greek stuff, and I'm going to be doing lots of videos from here. But today I'm going to show you how to draw an ancient Greek toilet. To draw an ancient Greek toilet, then what we need to do is we start off with a diamond. Now sketch this in very, very lightly so that you can erase the lines later. We're going to draw in ink on the top. Then draw some short little lines down from each corner and then join them up like that. So that's going to be kind of the seat. But we need a bit of a hole in the top. So draw two lines across which are kind of parallel like that. And then we're going to want the hole in the middle. Now, like we did a line down there, we're going to do a line down there, and then we can go across and a line down there. And then we need to kind of echo that curve like that. Now, we need to put it all on a box, so we're going to draw lines down like this, just in a little bit from there. Parallel here, like that, and like that. What we want to do is also to have a bit of a cut in there, so that will then come down there. So let's see what happens when we ink this all in. This is a complicated little drawing, this one, but if you just follow it logically, it will all come together. And why would you want to draw a Greek toilet? I'm not quite sure. I'm assuming you've got some homework to do and your teacher has told you to do something about doing Greek stuff at home. So here you are, this is the kind of toilet they would have to go to. So this is where you can stick a sponge through to kind of clean yourself up. And then this is a line coming down there, a line coming down there, sponge on a stick, line coming down there and up there like that. Now when you're absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. And I'm going to put some lines under there getting kind of smaller there. I'm going to draw some lines vertically coming around there like that, and maybe around there like that. And then I think we need some very dark inside. The inside. We don't want to talk about that really, do we? And what you can do is when you come here, maybe leave a little bit of kind of white there, just to let it stand out. I think we're going to need some shade underneath there. And we're going to need some shade underneath here too. And that can be kind of slightly angled, and we're going to need some shade on the ground to put it on the ground. And we can maybe kind of put some little marks on it. So I'm going to assume that it's sort of carved out of rock or something like that, and I'm just going to give it a very, very basic bit of kind of stone colour all over. And I'm using watercolour. You can use crayons or felt tips or whatever you like. Then when that's dry, I'm going to use a little bit darker, kind of like that there and there, like that. And underneath here and then underneath there. In fact, I'm going to do the whole of that side darker, like that. And we're going to need a bit of shade on the ground too, like that. And that means that this shade needs to be a bit darker too, and I think I'm just going to make sure that the inside really is dark like that. And there you go, how to draw an ancient Greek toilet. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.